you can see she went zipping right along. And I didn't try any steering, just, forward, backwards, because we already know the steering works. But she didn't seem to want to go backwards, and that's because I think the cables back here need a little more adjustment, because the transmission was like this when I was trying to go backwards, and that wasn't giving really a lot of rearward speed. So all I have to do is adjust these cables on here, which I have these handy little holes, so I can do the adjustments, and that should make it good for another more impressive test run than just that. I was just really doing this little test today to see if she would actually move and if her legs would, come crumbling apart with my added pilot's weight in there. But it hasn't, and the ride inside feels a bit more stable, I guess. But the left side certainly does feel different than the right side, because the left side is kind of skewed outwards a little bit. You can see the difference, so it does give a feeling of a wider base on the left side, the max right side, than the right, so if that makes sense. And you can hear my neighbor doing some lawn tractor work over there. I don't know what he's doing, but, there he is, noisy neighbors. So, I wonder what they probably think of me making all this noise. Little do they know. But, just that little tweak, and I think Marduk will be good to go, except for the dust cover and, as I've mentioned before, this hand thing. But, easy fix. Easy fix. Just slight tweaks, and I'm so concerned about how cockeyed those wheels are, but she seems to be running okay. I mean, look at those awesome deep furrows in the ground. Oh! And I guess that will be all for today. I'm planning to film a more impressive test run this weekend, so hopefully you can get to go ooh and ah and all that sort of fun stuff come Monday when I release it. So, if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.